Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of concede. Admit that something is true or valid after first denying or resisting it. For example, I had to concede that I'd overreacted. The second definition of concede. Surrender or yield, something that one possesses. For example, to concede all the territory he'd won. American pronunciation. Concede. Concede. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Concede. Say. Concede. Concede means, finally admit something is true. Concede. Concede. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Janice agreed, and Kate conceded the argument. Now, repeat after me. Janice agreed, and Kate conceded the argument. The second practice. Yet again Gilbert concedes what he elsewhere denies. Now, repeat after me. Yet again Gilbert concedes what he elsewhere denies.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.